Hi Tapash, how are you doing?
Yeah, it's fine.
Great. So Tapash, in 2019 you cracked IIT JAM in chemistry and secured a All India rank of 4. It's really commendable. So, Tapash, we would like to understand how you prepare for the exam so that, young aspirants for IIT JAM chemistry can follow your footsteps, right? So, first questions, I want to ask you, Tapish, like which college did you study and what was your background for bachelor's?
Bachelor, actually, I did BSc from Ramakrishna Mission
Mm-hmm.
College.
Mm-hmm.
It is situated in Howrah,
Mm-hmm.
and I actually did followed every classes. I don't miss any classes, and teachers also very helpful.
Mm-hmm. So,
And actually, after that, before IIT exam,
mm-hmm.
I take preparation for the IIT exam. For that, I take some online test
Mm-hmm.
and um, some books. Also, I have followed some books
Mm-hmm.
like IIT JAM Chemistry.
Mm-hmm.
That's maybe of Aryan
Okay.
publications,
Mm-hmm.
and that's book very helpful.
Okay. So, Tapash, I want to ask you, chemistry is a huge syllabus, right? Ranging
Yeah,
from inorganic to organic. And then there is physical chemistry as well as some rare earth metals like bioinorganic chemistry, right?
right.
For JAM syllabus. So, Tapash, I would really want to understand, for your graduation syllabus, do you think it was helpful for your JAM
Yeah,
syllabus?
of course, of course.
Okay, so
Graduation syllabus and JAM syllabus almost same, I think.
okay,
There some topic maybe differ. Yeah.
okay. Like for example, which topics are different?
Which topic are different? Maybe in natural products, there are some uh, questions come usually
Mm-hmm.
from details. You have to know some unknown product.
Mm-hmm. So what did you like? How did you tackle those? Like, did you study
I had
previous?
tackled that using some online material,
Mm-hmm.
and I joined career academy,
Career
career
academy
endeavor,
in
career
for
endeavor.
tuitions?
For which is it supports students a lot. It's give a lot of test series exam,
Mm-hmm.
and also give some material,
Okay,
and also there are some test series in part to part. Some question based on particular topic. Then after finishing that, you will get overall overall on chemistry exam.
hmm. Makes sense. Okay, so just help me understand. So you took tuitions from this institute, right? There were teachers
Yeah,
who used to teach you, right?
teachers. Yeah.
Okay, got it. So you think that apart from your graduation syllabus or the teachers that the topics that are taught by the teachers in school, sorry, college for your bachelor's, you would also need assistance to crack JAM. Is it so?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, got it. Makes sense. So, like, what books exactly did you follow for cracking this exam?
Followed
Like, apart
basically
from the bachelor's level basic books that you use for chemistry, what additional books did you follow?
used actually we have actually I don't follow any exact method, but I follow my basics rule. Some uh, basically I insisting reading on books, some books especially that's I usually follow, and that's are
What are those books,
uh,
Tapas?
that's books are in organic chemistry. I especially recommend juniors Clayden. It's a very good book.
And for
The book's name is
inorganic
Clayden.
chemistry?
In organic chemistry, I followed some books like J.D. Lee, A.K.
Okay.
Sarkar. These books are very helpful.
Okay. And for physical chemistry, what books did you follow?
Physical chemistry, I refer to use Castellan.
Okay. Only Castilla, that's fine. And
Castellan. And besides, there are some specific book for quantum chemistry, Levine,
okay.
Levine,
Okay.
and and for chemical kinetics, students may use Jet Ledler.
Okay,
Ledler.
got it. Makes sense. And what about organic chemistry? Like which books did you follow?
Ordinary books. Usually, I followed the class and teacher process. That's are usually my main material.
Okay, for organic chemistry. Anything else did you?
Organic chemistry.
Okay.
Anything else? I also in some topic there arises some confusion. Then I use online some Google search or YouTube. That's
Did you use any material like Byju's or Vedantu or say?
No. I don't use it.
Okay, so you just searched on Google or YouTube and whatever came, you followed those, right? Great. So, let me sum up. You followed basically your bachelor's coursework and what your school teachers taught, and as well as you referred to the books that you have mentioned already, and you followed the study material what you got from your coaching center, right? For your Career Academy, right? Yeah, makes sense. So, Tapash, I would like to understand, BSc honors coursework is quite heavy, right? So, how did you manage time out for IIT JAM separately, or was it
Actually, I managed. I targeted it from second year for JAM chemistry exam, and I usually started from the starting of third year, and I usually solve previous year questions. That's make me some comfortable for the exam. And before the exam, 1 or 2 months, I give a lot of labor for that, and I gave also a lot of online test. That's improve my.
Okay, so I just want to understand. So from second year you started preparing. So basically it was all
not exactly second year, but actually I started from third year.
Okay, so from third year, you have already passed 2 years of your bachelor's. So you had to revise the topics, right?
In second year, I don't read for the JAM exam. I usually followed the previous what I have taught, or what topic I have also looked for the JAM exam. I usually revise that topic or that subject.
Okay, so
basically for first year or second year.
Yeah, so I would understand that since second year you started revising your topics. And from third year you started solving question papers as well as revising the topics that are there for the JAM
topic and online test.
Right, makes sense. Okay, so you say that it goes hand in hand with your graduation preparation as well as JAM preparation, right?
Yeah.
Great, makes sense. Also, I would like to ask you, which were your strong or weak point in the JAM exam, right? For example, I would say inorganic chemistry might be weak for you, or organic chemistry might be strong for you. So which was your weak area and how did you cope with it?
Actually, my strong point was in physical chemistry, because there are some books, usually there are some problems, I solve it, and it's from there I gained a lot of confidence. But in case of organic, there have some lot of fear. For that I usually use Euclidean and previous year question, and that helped me a lot, and at last I able to crack the JAM.
Great, awesome. So Tapash, few last questions. So what made you choose IIT JAM and not any other exams? Like there are exams to get into IISc or IISERS or TIFR. These are renowned institutes for research or pure sciences. So what made you choose JAM and IIT Bombay? Do you appear for these exams as well?
The main reason is that there's some more exposure from IIT. If I get good rank, and then I will chance to a better IIT, and from there I will get a better exposure.
Mhm.
For that, actually, I choose the JAM exam.
Okay, and did you appear for other exams as well, like JG Bills or ISAR?
Yeah, I also give TI fair exam, but actually I mm, don't take any preparation for that, so it's not so good. It's
So,
become
so
as average.
did you crack that exam as well?
No,
Okay, so you cracked only JAM, right?
yeah,
Great, makes sense.
I focus it. Yeah,
Okay.
actually, I from starting I focused on it.
Yeah, sure, sure. Yeah, whatever you focus on, you get to, uh, crack that exam. So, Tapish, like, what do you aspire to be, eventually, like, after you finish, like, almost
Inspire
a year now?
actually. Yeah, in our college, there's in every year 5 or 6 student usually ranks uh, uh, 1 to 100, between 1 to 100,
Mm-hmm.
and that's inspire us. If our senior can do, why you can't?
And what do you aspire to be next? Like, from IIT Bombay, what is your next step? You want to go into
If
research, or you want to go?
my next step usually to give GRE exam and to get a better score, and if I get better score, then I will get a better chance in some good university.
Got it. Makes sense. Thank you, Tapish, for sharing your experience with us. What is that one, tip that you would like to give any young aspirant who is preparing for JAM?
I will give suggestion to study book
Mm-hmm.
and give some online test, because as you know, this exam are usually on based
Yeah.
on online test,
Yes.
online mode, and there are some features that student have to know before to give exam.
Like, for example, what is
Yeah,
that?
there are some answer their question, some question which answer some to be 5.85, yeah, 5.857.
Mm-hmm.
There should be mentioned you have to use up to 2 decimal. If you use 3 decimal, then it will not take your answer and you will get zero.
Got it. Makes sense.
That's
Yeah.
type. Yeah,
So practice is the key. You mean to say you need
yeah,
to
yeah. Practice makes you part. Yeah, yeah,
practice for your.
yeah.
Got it. Makes sense. Thank you, Tapash. It was really nice interacting with you. I hope students will be following your footsteps and taking your advices into consideration. Thank you so much.